Welcome to Loomly. In this video, you will learn how to use Facebook to promote your business. Facebook is the largest social network in the world, offers an unparalleled advertising solution, belongs to a growing ecosystem including Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp, and is continually adding new features such as commerce and payment. Facebook is also the world's second-largest online advertising platform, making it incredibly important to brands and advertisers. In this video, we are offering you an overview of Facebook marketing best practices. Let's dive in. How is Facebook used for marketing? Facebook is for everyone. All types of organizations, including global brands, local businesses, celebrities, and nonprofit charities, use the social platform. More than 200 million businesses use Facebook to connect with customers. More than 10 million brands, the vast majority of which are small and medium-sized businesses, actively advertise across Facebook services. 2/3 of Facebook users say they visit a local business Facebook page at least once a week. So it's safe to say no matter the size of your brand or the audience you're targeting, your customers will most likely be on Facebook. This means Facebook should be a cornerstone of your broader social media strategy. Before you start creating a profile and posting content, it's essential to set your Facebook goals and define your target audience. First, you need alignment from business goals to marketing goals to Facebook goals. There are other Facebook goals you may want to consider, such as building brand awareness and reaching more of your ideal customers, growing an engaged community, increasing brand loyalty. You can always circle back and reassess these goals when you analyze your performance. Then, define your audience. Facebook appeals to all generations and locations, but you still need to be specific about your target audience so that you can create the right type of content. By defining a specific target audience, you can hone your brand message, storytelling, and content mix. In Loomly, our Facebook audience targeting feature lets you select the people you would like to reach or not reach based on selection criteria. Plus, we've also added saved Facebook audiences so that you can target your favorite audiences in future posts. How to attract followers on Facebook. Your profile creates a first impression with users, so you have to make it count. One way to achieve that is to have consistent branding with your other social media profiles so that users instantly recognize you. There are 4 main factors to building a solid page on Facebook: your username, complete page info, brand images, and call to action button. Once you have a well-optimized Facebook page, it's time to plan and produce your content. We built Loomly to give you an easy-to-use dashboard that lets you collaborate with your team around Facebook posts and ads, access the data you need, and understand the real-time impact of your posts. Let's see how Loomly helps you with Facebook publishing. First, you'll need to decide how frequently you're going to publish content. Some brands share multiple updates per day, while others publish a couple of posts every week. Facebook recommends posting every day on the platform, but no more than twice a day to prevent engagement from dropping. At Loomly, we highly recommend keeping an eye out for how many high-quality posts you're able to commit to posting regularly. Once you have identified your ideal posting cadence, you can take advantage of Loomly's scheduling slots feature to set your preferred publishing schedule and save time when creating new posts in Post Builder. Once you have defined your publishing frequency, it's time to do some editorial planning. First things first, let's start with what you know best: your organization. Simply list events that matter to your organization and your community, such as special industry conferences, organization milestones like anniversaries, achievements, and awards, and major holidays and celebrations. This is where the Loomly magic happens, as we suggest different types of post ideas to you, including trending topics from Twitter in your location, RSS items from your own custom selection of content feeds, recurring broad ideas based on best practices and internet codes, events, holidays, and celebrations happening on specific dates. You can view every social media holiday for a given month at a glance on Loomly. Hence, you can save time looking for ideas. And most importantly, make sure you're not missing out on any major holidays. Once you have filled up your editorial calendar with post ideas, you can start creating your content. Loomly allows you to create, preview, approve, schedule, and publish posts to Facebook. To increase your post engagement, you can use hashtags and @mention other accounts to feature them or catch their attention. For instance, cross-promotion and collaboration with other brands is a great way to gain new followers. Next, we allow you to organically target and restrict your audience. If you have Facebook Ads Manager connected to your calendar, you can boost your Facebook post within Loomly. As you already know, Facebook is the world's most important social media platform from an advertising perspective. Their advertising platform allows you to reach millions of targeted people using a wide range of tools. You can leverage Loomly Ads Manager to create Facebook and Instagram ads from scratch, including creative assets. Preview and approve them as a team, just like you do with posts. Publish those ads to Facebook automatically. Measure your success with ad analytics. Some of the ad formats you can take advantage include single image ads, video ads, story ads, Facebook carousel ads, Instagram carousel ads. Once you have published and promoted content, it's time to interact with them. Develop an ongoing conversation with your audience. Social media communication is a two-way street. It is as much fun, if not more, about listening and responding as it is about speaking in the first place. 84% of consumers expect a response on social media within 24 hours, and 48% of users are prompted to purchase a product when a brand is responsive. Needless to say, it's crucial to remain engaged and communicative with your audience. Using Loomly's interactions feature will help you stay up to date with your messages, comments, mentions on Facebook. Once you have a conversation going on with your audience, your final and most important goal is to measure and improve engagement success. As you refine how well you understand your audience, you can fuel each new content production cycle with actionable insights. Tracking performance metrics helps you identify what went well or not so well with every post and incorporate that knowledge into new posts moving forward. As a starting point, you will want to monitor the following key performance indicators. Impressions and reach, which are solid indicators of brand visibility. They show you respectively how many times and by how many people a post has been seen. Likes, reactions, comments, clicks, and shares, which are absolute measures of engagement, telling you how and how many times users have interacted with a piece of content. Engagement rate, which is the king of metrics, defined as the ratio of engagements reach, or in specific cases, as engagements impressions, providing you with a strong foundation to normalize and compare post performances accurately. Loomly Advanced Analytics will be your best ally in this quest, empowering you to get a report of loom.ly URL click counts, sources, and locations. Dive into account-level statistics. Get into details with post metrics, which includes all the analytics you need to evaluate your posts. Filter and compare performance by date ranges to evaluate growth and get a better understanding of your success. Last but not least, export all your analytics as PDF or CSV and share them offline with your team. Bottom line, keep tabs of what your audience literally likes and leverage those takeaways when creating new posts. Wrapping up, here's a quick recap of the key points from this Facebook marketing course. Build your Facebook page to attract and entertain your target audience. Align your Facebook marketing strategy and business goals. Vary your content mix to boost engagement and build trust. Publish content regularly to keep your fans engaged. Try Facebook ads to help promote your content. Analyze your Facebook marketing performance to see where you can improve. It's important to remember that by optimizing your Facebook page, publishing high-quality posts frequently, defining your audience, developing an ongoing conversation, and measuring your success, you can remain in touch with your audience and increase engagement, which in turn will bring you closer to achieving your business goals. And that's it. If you have any questions or suggestions, please contact our team, either through our chat or over email at contact@loomly.com. Thanks for watching this video.